Vi bringer en servicemeddelelse. Som et forsøg vil dørene i dag kun åbne sig for smilende kunder. Husk at smile, hvis du gerne vil ind.
Thank you. $23.90. You're $2 short, sorry.
I don't know if I've got it all. I really don't think I have $2.